Many years ago, in Saudas, in the heart of the Carnic Alps, man and nature shared the same language. And that man was Pietro Schneider, known to everyone simply as Wolf, a loner who spent his days searching for the perfect blend, collecting all the flavors from the woods and turning them into unique products. The challenge was embraced by his grandson Giuseppe. Saudas was not to be a privilege for a few, but a treasure for all. An idea that began in the 60s, and over time becoming a great company. Today, the new generations continue to carry on the dream of Wolf, combining tradition and innovation. This is not a fairy tale, but a beautiful story that is enjoyed every day since 1862. Wolf Saudas. Being good is in our nature.